Stop doing the 5 by 55 manifesting method until you watch this video. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We have taken down the 5 by 55 manifesting method on this channel. And I want to give you some background and research as to why we did this and how you can make a similar type of method work more effectively for you. What we were running into, what we were hearing, and that kind of thing. I think it's very, very important. So this is a diagram of the Kabbalistic tree of life. And you can see it's hand-drawn by me, but we'll put up a nicer picture if necessary. And just to briefly go through this, this is the higher level of consciousness called Kether. Okay, this is essentially the Godhead. Okay, and then 2 is where energy starts to flow into manifestation, and 3 is where it gets codified. Now 3 is called Binah, and this is where the energy of the divine gets codified and made into something that in the Kabbalah we call understanding. So what we noticed is that people that have things going and flying all over the place, they've got a lot of projects going, a lot of things going, but nothing is coming together. Nothing is manifesting. Doing the 3 by 33 intention is much more effective. So what you're doing here is you're activating Binah. You're activating this codifying energy. It's the divine feminine in the Kabbalistic tree of life. And it's very, very important. So if you have a number of things, loose ends that are not coming together for you, write out your intention clearly and do it for 3 days. For 3 days, you're going to write out your intention 33 times. So you only have to do it 3 days, and you only have to write out your intention 33 times. Then if you feel you need to repeat it, make certain you skip or let 3 days go by that you don't do this exercise. We have found this to be a huge amount more powerful than the 5 by 55 method. Now the 5 by 55 method has you writing it out for 5 days, 55 times a day, your intention or your goal. The problem with this particular level of consciousness, that's what all of these are, by the way. They're levels of consciousness. The 5 by 55 method taps into the level of consciousness that deals with destruction and war. And so there are times perhaps to use that. Let's say you want to tear something down. The 5 by 55 method might be the appropriate number of times to do it because you're activating the energy called Geburah, okay, which simply means will. It can mean warring energy. It's very tough, harsh energy. I don't think this is the kind of energy that most people desire if they're attracting abundance into their life, or if they're looking to attract wealth or prosperity or a marriage or a better relationship. Now, let's come to the 4x44. This is called Chesed. Chesed in the Kabbalah. And this is very, very important because Chesed deals with love, universal, unconditional love. But it also deals with abundance. And so you're going to be far more effective if you're looking to bring abundance into your life doing the 4x44 method than the 5x55. Just don't do the 5x55 method. Hardly ever. I can't think of too many times when you might want to do it. But when you're working on your abundance, 4x44, write down your intention in a book for 4 days. Write it 44 times a day. And then take 4 days off. Take 4 days off and then repeat it if you think it's necessary. Okay, let's go here. Now this is my favorite right down here. This is the one I like. Because 7x77, oh, I know, that's a tough one. That is a harsh one as far as a lot of work because you've got to do it for 7 days in a row. And for 7 days in a row, you're writing your intention down 77 times. But this is Netzach. And Netzach deals with passion. It deals with love. It deals with flow of energy. And so if you're looking to build more passion in your relationship, if you're looking to build an incredible dynamic love affair, this is where you do it at. And it only makes sense that it's going to take more days to accomplish it. But 7 days really isn't that much time to invest. So the 6x66, this is if something needs healing energy. If something needs solar energy. This is Tiphareth. It means beauty in the Kabbalistic tradition. And so if something is sick, we want to bring it back to a state of wholeness and beauty. And therefore you have the 6x66. All of these work, but I think using the right one, the right tool, for the right job is absolutely essential when it comes to this kind of a method. It really works. Now, I just had a friend of mine write me, and he said he switched, without me even telling him, to the 3x33, and he said, bingo, I hit it, just all of a sudden, everything started to click. So if you've tried the 5x55 method, and it hasn't worked for you, or you notice things getting worse, give it up, stop it now, and use one of these other number combinations. We will put a list of some of these other number combinations in the description. I hope this helps you. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.